Hello friends, this is Ayush, and in this video we'll be discussing about quant section of CAT 2018 evening slot paper. We'll be taking questions from time, speed, distance and time and work in this video. There will be 6 questions from question number 7 to 12. Let's begin with the same. This is the first question, or question number 7 is on the screen. Points A, P, Q and B lie on the same line. Okay, let me just draw this. This is a line. This is point A, then P, Q and B, such that PQB are respectively 100, 200, 300 kilometers away from it. So each of the distance from A to P, P to Q and Q to B will be of 100 kilometers each. Car 1 and 2 leaves A at the same time from A to B. Okay, car 1 and 2 are moving from A to B at the same time, and car 3 leaves B and move towards A at the same time. Okay, fine. Car 3 meets car 1 at Q. Okay. When car 3 is meeting car 1 at Q, car 1 has traveled 200 kilometers and car 3 has traveled only 100 kilometers. So इनकी जो speed का ratio होगा, that is speed of first car upon speed of third car will be equals to 2 upon 1. Similarly आगे दे रखा है car 3 is meeting car 2 at P. So car 3 जब P पे मिल रहा है कार 2 से, so car 3 has traveled 200 and car 2 has traveled only 100 kilometers. So third और second car का जो speed ratio होगा, that will be again 2 upon 1. Right? What we need to do is we need to find out the speed ratio of car 2 and car 1. Okay, so just to equalize these two ratios, I'll multiply this by 2 and 2. So speed of 1 is to 3 is to 2, जो आपका आ जाएगा, that will be 4 is to 2 is to 1. In case if you have to find the ratio of speed of car 2 and speed of car 1, that will be 1 is to 4, which is the correct answer for this question. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Let's go ahead for the next one. Question number 8 is on the screen. Let's try to solve it out. On a long stretch of east-west road, A and B are 2 points such that B is 350 kilometers west of A. Okay. तो यहाँ से मैं B बना देता हूँ, ये A है, इन दोनों के बीच में 350 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है. One car starts from A and another from B. It's one car which is starting from A, the second car is starting from B. If they move towards each other, they meet after 1 hour. Okay, अगर आप क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपर्ली रीड करेंगे, दिस इज अ रिडंडेंट डेटा जिसका कोई यूज नहीं है आगे जाके. सो अपन इस इंफॉर्मेशन को एक बार स्किप कर देते हैं, आगे चलते हैं. इफ दे बोथ move towards east, so both of them are moving towards east, इनका स्पीड नहीं पता, so let it be x and y. They meet in 7 hours. Agar they are moving in same direction, their relative speed will be x minus y. Time taken is 7 hours, so distance will be equals to 7 into x minus y, which is equals to 350 kilometers. The difference in speed is, यहाँ से अगर मैं x minus y का value calculate करता हूँ, that turns out to be 50 kilometers, and that is the only value being asked in the question. So the correct answer will be 50 kilometers per hour. Right? Let's go for the next question. Question number 9 is on the screen. Okay, so let's continue with it. Points A and B are 150 kilometers apart. Okay, so ये आपके point A और B हैं, which is 150 kilometers apart. Car 1 and 2 travel from A to B, but car 2 starts from A when car 1 is already 20 kilometers away. car 2 तब start होती है जब car 1 already 20 kilometers travel कर चुका है. ठीक है. Each car travels at a speed of 100 km per hour in the first 50 kilometers. Okay, ये आपका first 50 kilometers और यहाँ पे आप speed रखेंगे 100 की. ये आपका next 50 kilometers है जहाँ पे आप speed रखेंगे 50 की, और ये आपका last 50 kilometers है जहाँ पे आप speed रखेंगे 25 का. Right? So car 1 since पहले start किया था, तो car 1 will be reaching B earlier. The question is, you have to find the distance between car 2 and B when car 1 has reached B. Right? तो अब कार 1 जो B पे पहुंचेगा, वो पहले इसलिए पहुंच रहा है बिकॉज कार 1 ऑलरेडी 20 किलोमीटर्स का हेड स्टार्ट ले चुका था. तो उस 20 किलोमीटर्स को ट्रैवल करने के लिए कार को कितना टाइम लगा होगा? 20 किलोमीटर्स उसने ट्रैवल किया था 100 की स्पीड से, मतलब कार मस्ट हैव टेकन 1/5 आवर्स. सो कार 2 जो लेट पहुंच रहा है वो इस 1/5 आवर्स की वजह से ही पहुंच रहा है, और इस 1/5 आवर्स में कार 2 ने कितना ट्रैवल किया होगा वो डिस्टेंस अपन निकाल लेंगे. स्पीड है उसका 25 का और टाइम है 1/5. right? So car 2 5 kilometers कम travel कर पाएगा in the same duration. So जब car 1 has reached B, car 2 will be 5 kilometers away from B. So the correct answer is 5 kilometers. Let's go for the next question. Question number 10 is on the screen. A tank is emptied every day at a fixed time point. Immediately thereafter, either pump A or pump B or both start working until the tank is full. ठीक है, तो आपका जो टैंक है वो डेली एक फिक्स टाइम पे एम्प्टी हो जाता है, वहां से आप उसको फिल करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. On Monday, A alone completed filling the tank at 8 p.m. Now important thing is आपको ये नहीं बता रखा है कि टैंक एम्प्टी कितने बजे हुआ था. सो इन दैट केस लेट्स अज्यूम कि टैंक किसी भी टाइम पे एम्प्टी हुआ था, उसके बाद ए को x आवर्स लगा टू कंप्लीटली फिल द टैंक. ऑन ट्यूसडे बी अलोन कंप्लीटली फिल द टैंक इन एट 6 p.m. अब अगर 8 p.m. तक अगर कोई वर्क करता है तो उसको x आवर्स लग रहा है, 6 p.m. तक वर्क करेगा तो उसको 2 आवर्स लेस लगेगा, मतलब उसको x minus 2 आवर्स लगेगा टू कंप्लीटली फिल द टैंक. ऑन वेडनेसडे A worked alone till 5 p.m. अब till 5 p.m. x minus 3 hours होता है और उस x minus 3 hours में A ने x minus 3 by x टैंक फिल कर दिया होगा. Then B worked alone from 5 to 7 p.m. और 2 hours में B ने 2 upon x minus 2 टैंक फिल कर दिया होगा. दोनों ने मिलकर टैंक को कंप्लीटली फिल कर दिया, मतलब the work done is 1. So let's take the LCM. It will be x into x minus 2. And the numerator will be x minus 3 into x minus 2 plus 2x equal to 1. On cross multiplying, we'll have x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 2x equal to x square minus 2x. x square से x square cancel, ये पूरा उधर जाएगा, solve हो जाएगा, x equal to 6 आ जाएगा. Right? What they have asked is at what time the tank was filled on Thursday if both the pumps were operating simultaneously. Fine. So here A को alone take 6 hours, B alone take 4 hours to completely fill the tank. Right. If both of them are working together, so they'll be taking 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4. That is, I'll take the LCM to be 12. तो ये हो जाएगा 5 by 12. मतलब they'll take 12 by 5 hours to fill the tank. अच्छा, अगर ये 6 घंटा लेता है to fill the tank and the tank is filling at 8 p.m. मतलब they must have started filling the tank at 2 p.m. When they are working together, they'll take 12 by 5 hours from 2 p.m. So the time when the tank will be filled is 2 plus 12 by 5, which on solving will give 4 hour 24 minutes. That is 4:24 p.m. pe the tank will be filled. So that is the correct answer. The correct answer is option B for this question number 10. Let's go for the next question. Question number 11. That's on the screen. The data given is Ramesh and Ganesh together can complete a work in 16 days. Right. So the equation that we can form is 1 by R plus 1 by G equal to 1 by 16. मतलब 16 days में वो मिलके पूरा one work complete करते हैं. After 7 days of working together, Ramesh got sick and his efficiency fell by 30%. The important thing is कि in 7 days, they together must have completed 7 by 16th of the work. Okay, now when they are working, Ramesh's efficiency has reduced by 30%. As a result, they completed the work in 17 days instead of 16. So now they have to work for 10 days more. In 10 days, your Ganesh will be completing 10 by G part of the work, and Ramesh's efficiency has reduced by 30%. So per day, Ramesh will be completing 0.7 upon hour rather than 1 upon hour. And in 10 days, it will be 0.7 into 10, 7 upon hour, which is equals to 9 by 16 part of the work, the remaining work, right? So in that case, if we'll solve the two equations, for solving the two equations, what we can do is, we can multiply the first equation by 7. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, multiply the first equation by 7. And if we'll cancel it, we'll get 3 by G equal to 7 by 16, 9 by 16, 2 by 16, 1 and 8. This will give you G equal to 24. Means Ganesh alone will take 24 hours to complete the task. Now the question is, if Ganesh has worked alone, after Ramesh got sick, in how many days would he have completed the remaining work? The remaining work was, Ganesh, remaining work, when the work is one, the time taken is 24 hours. Remaining work is only 9 by 16. For 9 by 16, the time taken will be 24 into 9 by 16, which is 2 and 3, 27 by 2, or 13.5 days is the extra time that will be taken by Ganesh alone to complete the remaining work. So the correct answer for this question is option C. Let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 12 is on the screen. Again, a question from time and work. Let's check it out. Water tank has inlet of two types, A and B. All inlets of type A, when open, bring in water at the same rate, and all inlets of type B, when open, bring in water at the same rate. The empty tank is completely filled in 30 minutes if 10 inlets of type A, 10 inlets of type A and 45 inlets of type B were open, so it will take 30 minutes. So the equation will be 10 upon A plus 45 upon B equal to 1 upon 30. And it will take 1 hour if 8 inlets of pipe A and 18 inlets of pipe B were open, right? So in order to solve these two equations, what we can do is we have to multiply. So let me multiply it by 4 and this by 5. On solving, this will be 40 upon A and 40 upon A, which will get cancelled out. This will be 180 upon B and this will be 90 upon B. So on solving, I'll get 90 upon B. Subtracting the two equations, this will be 8 upon 60 and this will be 5 upon 60. The difference is 3 upon 60, which is 1 upon 20. On cross multiplying, I'll get B equals to 1800. Putting the value of B in the first equation, I'll have 10 upon A plus 45 upon 1800 equals to 1 by 30. This is 1 by 40, cancel out over. 10 upon A will be equals to 1 by 120, or A will be equals to 1200. What they've asked is, in how many minutes will the empty tank get completely filled if 7 inlets of type A and 27 inlets of type B were open, right? So I'll take the LCM to be 3600. 3600 के हिसाब से this will be 3, that is 21 plus 54, which adds to 75 upon 3600. On cancellation, I'll get 1 by 48. So in 1 minute, they'll be filling 1 by 48 part of the tank. Total time taken will be 48 minutes, which is required to completely fill the tank. Right. So the correct answer for this question is 48 minutes. Right. So with this, we are done with all the questions of time, speed, distance, and time and work. I hope you must have got the solutions. In case of any queries, you can post the queries on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching the video.